Guys, what are we doing? Meow! Meow! Oh my god, guys. It's ghost cat number 2. Number 2, guys. In the same day. Meow! Meow! What are we doing? Oh my god. He's charging. He's charging, guys. He's charging for me. He's... Meow! Meow! Come here, kitty. Come here. Meow! Come here, kitty. It is Ghost Cat. It is the official Ghost Cat. Or is it? I don't remember you having... You're not Ghost Cat. Who are you? You're not Ghost Cat. No, you're not. Ghost Cat did not... Screw you. Stop. Stop with the low battery. Ghost Cat did not have orange ears. He had the orange tail. Who the hell are you? You aren't Ghost Cat. Don't confuse me for someone else. You need a name. You need a name, orange-haired Ghost Cat.